Today I will come in next experiment in small I will come with new experiment. This is a copper sulfate, there's a ferrous fluoride. This copper sulfate pentahydrate I will make a solution with water and concentrated form of copper sulfate. This is also use of water and ferrous fluoride concentrated form solution. These two electrodes like a copper electrode and iron electrode. Copper electrode to copper solution, iron electrode into iron solution. And this copper electrode is present this side. There's iron, copper, iron, copper, and other iron fusing like this. It's placed like here in this way. And other I also net LED into the solution. If you see, LED are working. For little bit, I think there's a shorting, there's a working an LED. It is a lots of light there, so it's never see better. First, measure how many volts am. First measure volts. This. These are two cells. In that it is series. Topper positive, iron negative, and iron is other topper, and other topper is other iron to negative. One topper and one iron electrode is static series C 2 volts. Now this 2 volts run easy with this LED. This LED is available ohms meter and other appliances. Net polarity showing. This is positive light. This is negative light there. BTF polarity chat. It's like there. Its clip is not fixing like that. And now this snap. This you see in night. Here is a turn off light. See it's more and more brighter, much brighter. Turn on the light. It is this how is that this there's an LED negative terminal to this electrode. This is the iron electrode. This is the copper electrode. That other iron electrode, other copper electrode to LED positive. These are two electrodes in that series, which means two batteries. These are two cells. Each cell 1 volt. Two cells is in series. One cell negative to LED, other cell positive. First cell negative to LED, positive to other cell negative, other cell positive to LED. First cell LED negative to first cell negative cell, first cell positive to other cell negative, and other cell positive to LED positive. Now we next day will next experiment. Next experiment will this experiment will and next day will the next experiment I will up down the system like the 12 volt and more. I will get to mold these cells. I use 24 electrodes. 4 electrodes I have already, 10 electrodes more, 5 from copper, 5 from iron. And next series I make a more solution to light it up heavy load like the LED top, 12 volt LED top and 10 volt halogen light and more big appliances. It works in that 12 volt LED, 12 volt. It is another day I made a 300 meter tubs nothing serial wire to run out 220 volt bulb in early yesterday. So this experiment and with next day from next two experiment. This video is part 1 of this experiment.